Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video test, front-facing camera of the OnePlus 7 Pro in 1080p. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. From where I'm sitting, everything looking great. Everything looking great. Looks vivid, sharp. Man, it doesn't get any better. Well, I'm hoping that on your side, when watching this video, it looks as good as what it looks like right now from where I'm sitting. And that the audio quality that's being delivered into your ears sounds great. I'm going to play a little music here and you can let me know how that sounds. I'm going to turn it up here a little bit. I can only play a few seconds of this because I can get myself into trouble and I don't want to do that. Woo! Yeah, digging that electric guitar. Great song. All right, how did that sound? Let me open up my windows. Bring in some outdoor noise. Let me know how everything sounds there. Lots of traffic. The rain is trying to stop. The sun wants to come out. It is 62 degrees. I am off of work. I'm drinking some Mickey D's coffee, cold coffee. I bought 2 of them this morning. I drank one during work, and now I'm working on the other. I get 2 a day. Sometimes I only do like 1.5. I uploaded a video reviewing a case by a company called Supnakp. Let me spell it for you. Please go check out the video, by the way. Supnakp. It's a thick, rugged TPU case. It's not minimal at all. It's nice and rugged. It's army green. Again, if you check out the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I had a viewer ask me in that video if the cutout up top surrounding the pop-up camera got in the way when taking pics and shooting video. No, it does not. But that's a great question, especially when you're sporting a thicker, rugged case. Will it cause any shadowing? Well, I'm testing the front-facing camera right now by shooting this video in 1080p with the case on, and there is no shadowing going on with that cutout. And I was looking at how close the top of the cutout is near the actual camera, and it's pretty close to it, but it's not causing any issues whatsoever. So you would see that going on right now. There'd be something going on right now if there was an issue with this case, as thick as it is. And there are thicker cases. So if I bring in even a thicker case, I will test that area out. And I think it's a great thing to test, a great area to test out. I usually take pictures from the rear when sporting a case during a case review. That way we can make sure that the cutouts on the cutout on the back surrounding the cameras aren't causing any issues either. So I'll start testing the front-facing camera with the case on. That way we can make sure that there's no issues going on there. And that's a great question. Shout out to that viewer. I don't remember your name, but I think you know who you are. Hopefully I'm going to leave a link to this video over, I'm going to link it into his comment, that way he can check it out, and know. So yeah, that's great question. So I wanted to give you some feedback on all of that. As far as when it comes to cases, I will be reviewing, when I review cases, I will make sure that area gets reviewed, the cutout up top of any case surrounding the pop-up camera, to make sure there's no issues going on when taking pictures or shooting video. So I've taken a couple selfies and I haven't seen any issues either with this case. But if I get even a thicker case in, I'll make sure that for sure that gets tested, man. So I'm going to do that with every case, but yeah. And then I'll give you some feedback too as well outside of that. Typically when I'm vlogging, I give a lot of feedback on my experiences with any smartphone that I'm reviewing. So please don't miss any of the early morning vlogs or afternoon vlogs, because when I'm reviewing, whatever smartphone I'm reviewing, you're going to get tidbits of information of my experiences on whatever it is that I'm reviewing in those vlogs. So please watch those vids. It's very, very important. Every once in a while I'll do a hands-on updates, but I like to really get that information across during a vlog. So again, 1080p video test, front-facing camera of the OnePlus 7 Pro. We've been doing this now for 6 minutes, 5 minutes and a half. So yeah, let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds, anything going on that shouldn't be, any focus hunting, let me know down below, because I'm trying to pay attention to the road. So I don't want to get in an accident or get pulled over by the police. So yeah, anything that's going on that shouldn't be. Again, feedback is important. I do have my OnePlus 7 Pro attached to my dash mount, not my my windshield smartphone mount, the suction windshield suction mount. This one's actually on my dash, and it was my wife's, and I can't remember what brand because I'm not using my iAudi. It's like the iAudi Easy One Touch 2, but it's a different brand. But I'll leave that down below in the description area. But let me know, if there's a lot of any of the shakings coming from the vibration of the car to the mount itself, and that's normal. But outside of that, let me know if there's any kind of jello effect, any kind of weird shakiness going on and jello effect. So that's it. Update on that case for that question from that viewer. Again, shout out for that question. Great questions. I love answering questions that I know need to be answered and getting that information out to all of you. So, all right, that's it. The OnePlus 7 Pro front-facing cam 1080p video test is officially over, and I'm out.